Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius, your favorite tech channel. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to actually solve this error. This error is commonly or very famously searched in the internet as TextNow is unavailable in your country error. Well, this error is also gone by another name known as TextNow sign up error. The main reason why this error is happening is because of a certain law, or it's not an official law yet, but it's because of a certain order passed by the US government in order to reduce scams happening in the US. So if you're located outside the US or Canada, or if you're located outside North America, especially if you're in any of the Asian countries, you would primarily find this error if you are using the TextNow application. It doesn't matter even if you have or had an account previously. Let's say if you just have an account which was made before October 2023, then that account is going to be disabled and you are going to be shown this error. That is, your account has been disabled. That is, your account has flagged for violating the terms of use. If it thinks it has been disabled in error, you can submit an appeal for review. And even if you submit an appeal, you are not going to get a response from them. Well, first of all, before solving this error, you need to understand the clear reason why this error is happening. So if you want to understand the clear reason, then you can just go search for TextNow update of 2023. Well, there is a video which I have posted myself in this channel. That video's link is going to be available in the description and the first comment. I would pin the first comment, so please go check it out before moving or continuing with this video. And if you are you know the reason why it's happening, then you can just continue with this video. The most easiest way in order to solve this error is going to be to change your IP address. That is, when you are clicking on sign up, you would be shown with these three options, and here when you click on any of those options in sign up, you have to just make sure that you are using or you are creating an account from the US. So you could use few VPNs for this, such as I have used IP-Vanish and I was able to make 3 to 4 accounts, but now IP-Vanish is also not working. Only with US and Canada locations it was working, but now both of these locations have stopped working. I tried making an account with Proton 2. I was able to make, I guess, 2 accounts, but now again Proton VPN is not working. So if you find any new VPN, you can just try it out. Just connect to the United States. It's going to be available in most of the VPNs. Just connect to it and check whether the sign up is working. I'm going to give you a few tips. Then just do not use the sign up with email option. It has a lower chance of success rate, but if you use sign up with Google or continue with Google or continue with Facebook, you are going to have a higher chance of rate of success. So it's going to be all in your luck. So I wish you luck. Few of the other steps which you can do to solve this error is going to be to make sure that you actually clear your data by visiting this application settings. Every time you fail to make an account, you can clear your storage by going to the settings and clicking on the storage, and you can clear your entire data by clicking over here. I'm not going to clear my entire data because another thing what you can do is that you can use the alternative applications such as TextPlus. Over here I would show you proof to TextPlus is another market leader which has the same number of downloads. There is 50 million plus downloads, which is the same as TextNow application, but obtaining number in this is going to be much more easier than the TextNow application, and you can use this number to make social media accounts, which is not possible in the free version of TextNow application. But this application is not that much suited for cold calling. So if you are focusing on cold calling within the US and Canada, then you would have to prefer some other application. But if you are just looking for an application in order to use a social media account such as WhatsApp or Telegram, I could show you proof that I have a WhatsApp account. This is one of the proofs of me having a WhatsApp account. So you can also make social media accounts as WhatsApp and Telegram using this method. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope it was helpful to you. It was helpful to you, just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video. And I have something very important to share to you guys. The thing is, our channel is getting a huge update in the year 2024. The update is regarding the membership options. Right now you will be able to find the join button and the subscribe button. So first of all, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button to subscribe button in order to receive daily updates from my channel. And after subscribing to my channel, just take a look at the perks being provided if you become a member of a community. I'm not forcing you to join, but you can become a member of a community for paying as low as $1 a month, and you get exclusive benefits such as member only exclusive videos and early access to new videos and one-on-one direct interaction with me, so I can help you directly solve the errors. So guys, it's me Surya Prakash from Protech signing off. Let's meet again in the next video. Until then, bye.